Uh, I hope this part is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Please keep on talking. Otherwise, I will not get you whether you are whether I am audible or not. Okay. So I hope this part is clear. So here we are having only one variable, one independent variable, one dependent variable. Here in this case, what you are having? You are having only one dependent variable, two independent variables that are x and y. So in this case, you can't write down dz by dx. You are supposed to write down dabba z by dabba x, or it is also called as del z by del x. But the meaning of del z by del x is what? What is the meaning of this? What I told you? क्या करना है आपको? How you are going to find out dabba z by dabba x? तो dabba z by dabba x means what? It's a normal derivative of z. जैसे हम normally derivative निकालते हैं, तो normal derivative or differentiation, normal derivative of z with respect to x. But what about y? What
Constant.
about y? Treating y as constant. We are going to treat y as constant. So it is very simple. There is nothing new. Only the thing is when you find out dabba z by dabba x, you are supposed to write down a normal derivative formulas, whatever we use in a normal derivative. The same way you have to do the differentiation. Only you have to keep y as constant. What do you think? What do you mean by then dabba z by dabba y? How will do
X
this?
will be constant.
Yeah, correct. So here, what you are going to do, you are going to find out a normal derivative of z with respect to y in this case, treating x as constant. I hope all of you are getting the concept of uh, partial differentiation, dabba z by dabba x. Now see, as we do like dy by dx and d2y by dx square, then d cube y by dx cube, and so on. You can find out a continuous derivative of different order. Same way, you can find out the highest order derivative of partial differentiation also. Okay, like you can find out dabba 2z by dabba x square, dabba 2z by dabba y square also you can find out. But the basic thing that you have to understood is dabba z by dabba x and dabba z by dabba y means what? You are going to differentiate only with respect to this x. Whatever variable you are having in the denominator, with respect to that you are going to differentiate, and all the remaining variables we are going to treat it as constant. Now here we are taking only two independent variable. Can you tell me, suppose if I have if z is a function of suppose x1, x2, x3, so on, xn. And if I want to find out derivative of z with respect to x4, can you tell me how we'll write down this and how we get it? What should I write down? Should I write down dz by dx4 or dabba z by dabba x4?
Dabba z by dabba x.
Dabba z by
Yeah, so it should be dabba z by dabba x4. Are you getting when to use dz by dx कब use होगा and dabba z by dabba x कब use होगा? Is that clear with this concept? Can you
Yes,
tell me
sir.
dabba z by dabba x कब use होगा?
Total derivative.
ये कब यूज करोगे बताओ?
if only one
Total
variable
derivative.
present है.
करेक्ट. तो अगर z जो है वो ओनली x पे डिपेंड है, एक ही इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल पे डिपेंड है, देन यू आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस थिंग, अगर z जो है वो x पे तो है ही, प्लस सम मोर वेरिएबल्स आर देयर, then we are going to make use of dabba z by dabba x. Is that right? Are you getting? I hope you are getting this thing. Now, can you tell me dabba z by dabba x4 अगर आपको find out करना है, if you want to find out this, what you are going to treat it as constant? कौन सा variable constant treat करोगे?
All rather than x by 4.
Yeah, very good. So all the variables here, what you are going to do? आपको derivative किसका निकालना है? You have to find out the derivative of z with respect to x4. ट्रीटिंग कौन कौन से कांस्टेंट रखने पड़ेंगे हमें? ट्रीटिंग x1, x2, x3, x5 and so on up to xn. That means except this x4, we are going to treat all the remaining variable as constant. I hope you are getting the idea. Okay, is that fine everyone? No doubt. कळाले सगळ्यांना हे?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now there are different notation. Listen here. So there are different notation that you can use here. Now see, if I just for understanding, I'm taking only two variables. Okay, so listen here. So when you have suppose z is depending on two variables x and y. So while writing the its derivative with respect to x, what you can write down? You can write down dabba z by dabba x. It is also called as del z by del x. Okay, this is one notation. Okay, this is one way to write a derivative of z with respect to x. You can write down this as dabba f by dabba x also, because z and f are same. Is that clear? So don't get confused. Dabba z by dabba x and dabba f by dabba x will give you the same value. Okay. Similarly, you can write down this as z suffix x. The meaning of z suffix x and the meaning of dabba z by dabba x is same. You can also write down this as f suffix x. That means it is a partial derivative of f with respect to x. Are you getting this thing, all of you? Similarly, if
Yes,
you
sir.
want to write down the derivative with respect to y, how we write down? It will be dabba z by dabba y, or you can write down dabba f by dabba y, or you can write down z suffix y, and you can write down it as f suffix y. Is that clear with the notations, everyone? No doubt. These are the different way in which we can write down the different derivative. Okay. Now we are going to see if you want to find out the highest order derivative. For example, if you want to find out dabba 2 by dabba x square. Can anyone tell me what we supposed to do here? If you want to find out dabba 2 f by dabba x square. Suppose you have, before this I'll just write down, z is a function of f of xy. Now listen here, again I'm telling you, I'm writing only two variables. You may have more than two variables also. Just for understanding, I'm taking only two variables x and y. You may have x, y, z, anything, any number of variables. Okay. So this is applicable for any number of variables. More than two, then we are going to make use of partial differentiation. Okay. Can anyone tell me dabba 2z by dabba x square? How will do it? Should I write down here? Listen, what you are supposed to do here first. पहले आप dabba z by dabba x निकालो. That this is called as a first derivative. Now whatever answer you are going to get for this dabba z by dabba x, we find out one more derivative of it with respect to x again. That is the meaning of dabba 2z by dabba x square. So what we are doing, this is the first derivative, and then whatever answer you are going to have, again differentiate that, you are going to have dabba 2z by dabba x square. Is it right? Are you getting this one? The one more differentiation, one more way to write down this is you can write it as dabba 2f by dabba x square also. You may write down this as z suffix xx. That means you are differentiating two times. You may write down this as f suffix xx. Are you getting everyone? All of you getting this one? No doubt. Similarly, if you want to write down dabba 2z by dabba y square, again the same way, find out first of all dabba z by dabba y, find out this, and then you again differentiate with respect to y. Remaining variables are constant. That means x will be treated as constant. You may write down this as dabba 2f by dabba y square. Then you are going to write down this as z y y. You may write down this as f y y. Okay. In the problem they may use any notation. That's why I'm writing all kind of notation. Now one more kind of derivative will exist, that is called as a mixed derivative. See, in the first two, we are differentiating with respect to the same variable x, x, y, y. Can anyone tell me here with respect to what you are supposed to differentiate first?
dz by dy, and then after d means answer will be differentiated by d by dx.
Okay, what will happen if I differentiate with respect to x first? Will it be allowed?
Yes, sir. Both answer will be same.
Yes.
Okay, so listen here. What you are saying here, basically, first of all, you are supposed to find out dabba z by dabba y. Okay, and then you are saying you are supposed to differentiate with respect to x. My question is, can I do something like this, dabba z by dabba x, and then with respect to y? Can I do this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So my answer is no. Okay, you can't do this. Okay, actually there is one condition that has to be satisfied. Then you can do this. अगर ये function जो है, if that z function is continuous, listen here. अगर z function continuous है, then you can do this. Okay, so mind that word, continuous. If the function is continuous, then the order doesn't make sense. Okay, you may have dabba z by dabba y first, or dabba x by dabba z by dabba x first. That will not affect the answer. It will give you the same thing. Are you getting my thing? What I'm saying? वो कब होगा कम्यूटेटिव? जब आपका फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस होगा तो. अगर आपका फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस नहीं है, इन दैट केस यू कांट डू दैट. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल? बट मोस्टली हमारे सिलेबस में आपको कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन ही दिए जाएंगे, तो वो सेम होते हैं, बट दैट डजंट मीन इट इज ऑलवेज सेम. Okay, so you can write down this as dabba by dabba x, dabba f by dabba y. Can you tell me how should I write down in terms of suffix? Z suffix xy or z suffix yx? What should I write down here? Z suffix xy.
XY.
XY, sir.
Because you're differentiating with respect to y first. Huh? Should I write down z yx or z xy?
XY, sir.
XY, correct. So here also you are supposed to maintain the same sequence XY, but listen here. All of you listen here. Here, while doing the derivative, you are going in this way. So listen here. This way means what? What I mean by this way? आपको पहले y से डिफरेंशिएशन करना है और फिर x से. पहले y से फिर x से. पहले y से फिर x से. First y then x. First y then x. Okay. So remember, whenever there is a mixed derivative, whatever comes last, okay, the variable that is there in the denominator, which is last one, with respect to that you have to do it first time. That means with respect to that you have to differentiate the function first time and then the next variable. Okay. Suppose you have here dabba to z, dabba y, dabba x. Can you tell me what I should do first with respect to x or with respect to y? पहले किसे डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा?
With respect to y.
X.
First X,
dz by
X, Y.
dx.
विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x करना पड़ेगा फर्स्ट. लिसन, जो लास्ट में वेरिएबल आता है डिनोमिनेटर में, उससे पहले means first x then y. Okay, so we have to differentiate with respect to x first then y. Okay, you can write down this as dabba y of dabba f by dabba x, and the notation will say dabba yx, sorry, zyx or if. But you just keep in mind the order. Whatever comes last will differentiate first with respect to that. Okay. So when you write down z yx, you are going to supposed to differentiate with respect to x first and then with respect to y. Can you tell me here z x y x होगा आपके पास? That means third derivative find out कर रहे हैं. पहले क्या करोगे, x से या y से?
X.
पहले
X
x,
से.
फिर अभी उल्टा 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 उल्टा
Y.
बचेंगे.
Y.
ये उल्टा उल्टा सेम ही हो रहा है ना, x y y कहते हैं. आप क्या करोगे, पहले किससे करना पड़ेगा?
Y से।
Y.
ये पहले y, फिर ये y और फिर ये x. तो first y, then y and then x. Are you getting? उल्टा याद रखो, ऑर्डर इज उल्टा. लास्ट कम फर्स्ट, देन सेकंड लास्ट, देन नेक्स्ट टू दैट एंड सो ऑन, राइट? तो इन दिस वे यू आर सपोज्ड टू differentiate. I hope this is clear to all. Everyone clear with this? चलो write down. All of you write down this. Concept is clear to all. समझ में आ रहा है सबको क्या किया हमने? Write it down fast. Just a minute, I'll just check out the network. Okay, so I may get disconnected. Oh, can you see the screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That means network is working. One more request to all. Is there any CR for Mozilla division, Audi division and Chrome division? Class representative.
No, sir.
Okay, there is no CR.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for which division you are having CR?
Sir, Mozilla.
Mozilla division, sir.
Okay, Mozilla, you have a CR, right? What about Audi and Chrome?
Yes, sir. I'm from Chrome.
Okay, what about Audi?
No one, sir.
There is no CR. Actually,
No, sir.
what is the problem? Around 150, 60 students are there. Yesterday I downloaded your attendance, but all numbers are not coming over there. So it will be problematic for you guys because your attendance will not be marked because of the that I think we are not getting the proper numbers over there when I download it. So I request to all CRs, can you take the attendance and give forward to me if possible? Are you getting what I'm saying? Like,
Yes, sir.
those who are the CRs, just you have to note down your numbers, those who are present there. You can find out that in the when you click on the participants, you will see all the numbers who are present. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to just either you take a screenshot of it or you can write down the numbers so that you get the proper attendance. Okay. For audit division, anyone who is interested, those who can do it, volunteer who can.
सेंड कर दूंगा व्हाट्सएप पे
11:57.
प्लीज सर.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So 11:57 will do for Audi. Who will do for Mozilla? Mozilla. And one number one from Chrome. Mozilla, who is your
Sir, from
CR?
sir
101?
101.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
From Mozilla 101. From Chrome?
847, sir.
Okay. 11:57 for 8:47 and 101. Thank you very much. Okay. Just you have to do that thing so that I'll get a proper attendance. Okay, thank you. So can you do it after the lecture? And please don't be partial with your friends. Okay, those who are present, just take the attendance of those numbers only. Okay, so don't be partial as we are studying partial differentiation today. Okay, please be fair. Don't be partial to anyone. Okay, finish with this, everyone.
No, sir.
Should I start with the next part? फिनिश? अरे हुआ क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Not right. Yes, sir.
Do it, do it, do it. Yesterday's PDF I have already sent it on the classroom. I think for Mozilla I have not shared it, but I'll do it on the WhatsApp group. I'll share that. Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what we did up till now, we have just seen we are going to use a partial differentiation. Dabba z by dabba x and dabba z by dabba y means what? We are differentiating with respect to x, treating y. If we are having more than more than two variables, we have to differentiate only with the variable which is there in the denominator, remaining all the variables as constant. Then these are the notations that you can write down in the form of suffix also, zx. If you want to find out the higher order derivative, we have written only for second order. You can do it for third order, fourth order, fifth order anyway. Okay. You have to follow the order from right to left. Okay. That means you have to differentiate the last variable with respect to the last variable first, then the second, and so on. Right. So let us see some example so that you will get a better idea about the first example. If u is equal to x raised to y.
तो मैं छोड़ दिया भाई.
Show that. Now, don't write down anything. I'll give you time to write down. Now listen here. Okay, so what is your function here? See, normal derivative you are supposed to do. बाकी कुछ नहीं करना है, हमें ये prove करना है. So this is my left hand side. This is my right hand side. So I want to show that when I differentiate with respect to u, with respect to y and x. So this is actually 2. Sorry, यहाँ पे 2 है. When I differentiate with respect to x and y as per the terms they are given there, I want to prove that the left hand side and the right hand side is same. Okay, so your function over here is u is a function of two variables x and y. So I can't write down here the total derivative because ये जो u है ये दो variable पे depend है, x पे भी and y पे भी. So it is depending on two variables. So I have to use partial differentiation here. Okay. So listen, if you start with suppose left hand side first. So what is my left hand side? This is dabba cube u. That means we are going to differentiate u 3 times. Okay, dabba x square, dabba y. Okay. What do you think in this left hand side with respect to what you are supposed to differentiate first? पहले किससे differentiate करोगे?
Y को.
Y.
Y.
Why?
So because as I told you, we are going from right to left, right से left की तरफ जाने वाले, right? So what we are supposed to do? First of all, we will find out dabba u by dabba y. All of you are getting पहिले आपल्याला y काढावा लागेल, याचा derivative काढावा लागेल पहिल्यांदा. First of all, you are supposed to find out the derivative with respect to y. Okay. So ध्यान दो. That means we are going to find out the partial derivative of x raised to y with respect to y. What about x? X is constant, right? So is it look like a raised to x? ये देखो यहाँ पे a constant होता है ना और x variable होता है. तो can you tell me a raised to x का derivative क्या होता है?
A raised to log a.
X raised to y
इसका
log y.
derivative होता है a raised to x. Okay, तो ये a constant है, variable है, right? We are having the same kind of situation. X is a variable and sorry, x is a constant and y is a variable. So can anyone tell me what is the derivative of this with respect to y?
X raised to y.
Is it
X raised to y. Log x.
Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now the next way is, now the next term should be, now the next is we are having dabba to x, dabba x square. Okay, that means can I, should I write down this? This is the way, dabba u by dabba y first, right? Then you have to differentiate with respect to x, and then you're supposed to differentiate with respect to x again. This is the order. So y first, then x, and then again x. Okay, so what we are going to do, whatever dabba u by dabba y you are having, we are going to differentiate that again with respect to x one time. That means what we want to differentiate, इसका value तो आया है हमें, क्या है, x raised to y log x. But now see, listen, with respect to x we are differentiating. तो constant कौन होगा अभी? Which variable is constant?
Y.
One.
Constant. Okay. तो इज इट लुक लाइक x रेज टू n, नीचे वाला वेरिएबल है, ऊपर वाला कांस्टेंट है, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, n x टू द पावर n माइनस n x रेज टू n, इज इट राइट? ओके, बट सी बिफोर दैट वी आर हैविंग टू टर्म्स ऑफ x, यहाँ पे भी x वाला टर्म है, यहाँ पे भी x वाला टर्म है, तो वी आर सपोज टू यूज द प्रोडक्ट रूल, यहाँ पे हमें प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो विल इट बी लाइक x रेज टू y को मैं वैसे ही रखता हूँ, and then log x का derivative. Can you tell me the log x का derivative with respect
1
to
by
x?
x.
1 by x
1 by x.
plus. Now I am keeping log x
Log
as it is constant, and then x raised to y का derivative treating y constant.
y into x raised
y
to y
x
minus 1.
x to the power y minus 1. y constant है ना अभी, तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा हमें. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like ये x की पावर y और डिवाइडेड बाय x, दैट मीन x की पावर डिवाइड करने के बाद x से कम होगी, x टू द पावर y माइनस 1 प्लस log x into y x to the power y minus 1. Can I take x to the power y minus 1 common here? It is x to the power y minus 1 into bracket 1 plus y log.
Plus y log x.
I hope it is clear to all. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is my second part, dabba x by dabba y, dabba u by dabba. What is your next thing? One more time करना है ना हमें. So we are did up till this. Up to this we have done. One more time you have to supposed to differentiate. तो इसको और एक बार. What you have to do? Dabba by dabba x of dabba by dabba x, dabba u by dabba y. तो ये ऑलरेडी अंदर वाला जो है वो हमने निकाल दिया है, उसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है x से अगेन. So we have to differentiate this x raised to y minus 1 into 1 plus y log x. इसको differentiate करना है हमें वापस x से. Can I use product rule again? यहाँ पे भी x है, इस टर्म में भी x है ना, so I have to use a product rule. Can you tell me how we'll do it? First of all, x raised to y minus 1 constant रखो. इस टर्म का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा with respect to x? 0 हो जाएगा पहला टर्म. And the next term, is it y by x?
0.
ये 0 हो जाएगा ना, और इसका y by x होगा ना, y कांस्टेंट है. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus नेक्स्ट टर्म में हमें ये 1 प्लस y log x कांस्टेंट रखेंगे, और हमें x रेज टू y माइनस 1 का डेरिवेटिव निकालना है इसका विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. y कांस्टेंट है तो क्या आएगा,
y minus 1 into x to the power y minus 2.
y minus 1 x to the power y minus 2.
y minus 2.
It look like x raised to n only. Can I have again, listen here, जब आप x से डिवाइड करोगे, x नीचे है ना, तो x की पावर और कम होने वाली, तो x to the power y minus 2 into y plus 1 plus y log x into y minus 1 x to the power y minus 2, right? So can I take x to the power y minus 2 common again?
Yes, sir.
So I'll take x to the power y minus 2 common, and what I left with, y plus 1 plus y log x into y minus 1. Is it correct? This is nothing but your dabba cube y by dabba x square dabba y. Is it right? I hope you are getting. This is nothing but your left hand side. Any doubt here? Anyone? कळालं का सगळ्यांना काय केलं?
Yes, sir.
परत सांगा एकदा.
Yes, sir.
See what I did simply. मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव निकालते गया बस. But the order is important. First y, then x, and again x. Okay. Only you have to take care while doing the differentiation. कौन सा वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट है वो आपको ठीक से देखना है. बस उतना ही फोकस किया आपने तो you can easily solve the problem. Okay. So you just write down this up to this part and right hand side you are going to try. Right hand side आपको try करना है सबको. Okay. नहीं आया आई विल हेल्प यू आउट बट राइट हैंड साइड का आंसर यही आना चाहिए. ओके पहले ये लिखो. राइट हैंड साइड में किससे पहले डिफरेंशिएट करोगे बताओ.
X,
पहले x
X.
देन
Y,
देन y देन
X,
आपको करना है x y देन x. ओके एंड उसका आंसर और इसका आंसर सेम आना चाहिए. चलो डू इट. डन. डू इट विथ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फर्स्ट. राइट इट डाउन and then you start with the right hand side. Check out whether you are getting the same
सर
answer.
लास्ट स्टेप में डाबा क्यूब यू चाहिए.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it should. Thank you. It should be you there. Okay.
तर पुन्हा रिपीट करा.
I will do the right hand side तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा. राइट हैंड साइड करता हूँ मैं. दोनों सेम ही है एक्चुअली. खाली ऑर्डर चेंज हो गया है बस. You just write it down. I'll repeat. I'll do the right hand side and then you'll come to know. Those who can solve right hand side, they please start with the right hand side once you finish with the left hand side. जिनको लग रहा है कि वो they can solve the right hand side, they can start. Those who finish with left hand side and those who can't, just stop. I'll do it. Don't worry.
सेम आ रहा है.
Okay, student, done with this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right hand side now. Jannat, Zamil, those who can think, they can do it. Please do it. Wrong हुआ तो भी चलेगा, but please try. Okay. जिनको समझ में नहीं आया है, they can see over here. I will do it for the right hand side. Now see, what is your right hand side? Right hand side is dabba cube u, dabba x, dabba y, dabba x. Okay. Can you tell me with respect to what you are supposed to differentiate first?
X.
X. So listen here, this is the way. This is this first, then this second, and then this third. Okay, so this is the path, or we can say order you are supposed to follow. Okay, so what you are going to do here, first of all, you are going to find out dabba u by dabba x. This is the first step. Whatever answer you are going to have, you are going to differentiate that with respect to y. So whatever answer you are going to give for this, that you have to differentiate with respect to x again. Okay, so this is the way. First of all, what we need this thing. So innermost part we are going to do first. तो पहले हम निकालेंगे dabba u by dabba x. Means what here, while doing dabba u by dabba x, किसको concentrate करोगे आप? Y को concentrate करोगे. Y will be constant. Okay, we are going to differentiate only with respect to x. Now what is your u? Your u is x raised to y. तो हम क्या करेंगे, ये y कांस्टेंट जैसे ट्रीट करने वाले हैं ना, तो इज इट लुक लाइक x रेज टू n. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, n x टू द पावर n माइनस वन. तो सेम इसका u x रेज टू y का भी डेरिवेटिव वैसे ही दिखेगा, बिकॉज इट इज x रेज टू y और y कांस्टेंट है, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा y x टू द पावर y माइनस. इज दैट क्लियर विद द फर्स्ट स्टेप एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next thing, once you have this, अभी सेकेंड ब्रैकेट देखेंगे हम, dabba u by dabba x निकाला हमने. अभी क्या करना है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट y से करना है. सेकेंड स्टेप ये हो गया. अभी ये वाला पार्ट. ओके, सो हियर व्हाट दैट मींस, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सपोज टू डिफरेंशिएट dabba y ऑफ व्हाट, y x टू द पावर y माइनस वन. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है हमें y से. बट यहाँ पे आपका कांस्टेंट कौन होगा, सिंस हम डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y, x कांस्टेंट होगा अभी. तो यहाँ पे इस डिफरेंशिएशन में आपका कांस्टेंट टर्म है x. टेल मी हाउ विल डू इट. बट यहाँ पे y के दो टर्म है, देखो यहाँ पे भी y दिखाई दे रहा है, यहाँ पे भी y दिखाई दे रहा है. तो आपको प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो हम क्या रखेंगे, पहले y वैसे ही रखेंगे, और ये जो x टू द पावर y माइनस वन है उसका डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे. बट डू यू नो दिस का डेरिवेटिव a रेज टू x, a कांस्टेंट है और x वेरिएबल है. तो जब नीचे वाला बेस अगर कांस्टेंट होता है तो इसका डेरिवेटिव होता है a टू द पावर x log a. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, y विल बी कांस्टेंट और यहाँ पे x कांस्टेंट है ना अभी, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, x टू द पावर y माइनस वन log x. इज इट राइट? आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, sir.
Plus now x to the power y minus 1 will be constant and the derivative of y, इस y का derivative आ जाएगा 1. Okay, it will be like this. Now here again if you look at this part, this x raised to y minus 1, x to the power y minus 1 is constant. तो हमें ये constant लेना है, sorry, it is common to both. Taking x to the power y minus 1 common, तो what I left with, ये बचेगा यहाँ पे y log x और यहाँ पे बचेगा plus 1. So this is nothing but your dabba u by dabba y, sorry, dabba u by dabba x, and then again 1. तो सेकेंड पार्ट हो गया हमारा. Now one more thing is there, हमें उसको और एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है x से. तो we want to differentiate again this whole thing with respect to x, right? That means हमें डिफरेंशिएट किसको करना है अभी, x to the power y minus 1 into bracket y log x. Again while doing this you differentiate with respect to x. तो अगर y से x से differentiate कर रहे हो तो again y constant रखना पड़ेगा. तो be careful, y को constant रखना है आपको बस. That you have to keep in mind. यहाँ पे वापस प्रोडक्ट रूल, यहाँ पे भी x है, यहाँ पे भी x वाली टर्म है, तो प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज करो. x to the power y minus 1 as it is रहेगा. सेकेंड पार्ट में ध्यान दो, y दिखा अगर आपको तो वो कांस्टेंट ट्रीट होगा. तो y विल बी एज इट इज और log x का डेरिवेटिव होगा 1/x and this 1 का डेरिवेटिव होगा 0. Is it right? I hope you are getting plus. Now ये जो सेकेंड वाली टर्म है y log x plus 1 will be as it is into x to the power y minus 1 का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे हम, बट y कांस्टेंट है तो इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा y minus 1 x to the power y minus 1. द फर्स्ट टर्म x की पावर वापस x से 1 से कम, x से कम होगी देखो, तो कहने से x टू द पावर y minus 2 होने वाला है ये, एंड आई कैन टेक इट कॉमन, तो यहाँ पे बचेगा सिंपली y, यहाँ पे बचेगा आपका y log x plus 1 into y minus 1. Okay, I hope it is correct. This is nothing but your number 2, and this is nothing but your dabba cube u, dabba x, dabba y, dabba x. Are they same? Are you getting the same answer for left hand side and right hand side? Check out.
Yes. Yes, sir.
देखो x to the power y minus 2 दिखाई दे रहा है वहां पे, यहाँ पे भी. Check out this. Listen here. x to the power y minus 2, x to the power y minus 2 यहाँ पे भी है. अंदर y है plus 1 plus log x, correct, and y minus 1. Are you getting the same, exactly same answer? See, if you check out, we are getting that left hand side and right hand side. So can I say y 1 and 2 is equal to right hand side? Is that dabba cube u on dabba x square dabba y is equal to dabba cube u dabba x dabba y dabba x. अगर dabba अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ना तो you can call it as a del. आप del बोल सकते हो. तो ये हमने प्रूव कर दिया. I hope you are getting, everyone. Those who are solving, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Good, good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. जिनको समझ में नहीं आया था, they can write it down. या हो गया है सबका, so that I can go to the next problem. If you have done. Should I go to the next problem or do you want to write it down? Hello. Can I go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट. Yes, sir.
Those who are not done with this, I'll send you the PDF. You can copy it from that. But I hope the concept is clear. Concept समझ में आया सबको क्या करना है exactly? Should we do the second problem? Second is exactly like this. If u is equal to of x cube plus y plus x square plus xy square, then prove that dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba 2 minus 4x plus y square. Okay, this is a good question, and there are some trick that we are going to use here. Okay, so the question is like this: that you are having some u which is a function of x and y both. So we have to use a partial differentiation here. More than one variables are there, and also we want to prove that dabba x by dabba x plus dabba x by dabba y whole square of u is equal to this. Let me just tell you what actually we are supposed to find. Listen here, क्या करना है वो जानते हैं यहाँ पे. तो dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y होल स्क्वायर ऑफ u मीन्स एक्चुअली ये एक ऑपरेटर है. तो डैबा बाय डैबा एक्स क्या होता है, ये भी एक ऑपरेटर है दैट यू आर ऑपरेटिंग ऑन यू. ओके, same way here your operator has been changed. What is your operator? Your operator is dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y whole square that we are going to operate on you. Okay, but if you are having something square, can I write it as dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y by dabba y? We are going to apply it 2 times plus dabba by dabba x plus dabba by y on u. We are going to do it. Okay. So one by one, we are going to apply this thing. So basically what we are going to do, how we are going to do this, we will keep this dabba by dabba x plus dabba by dabba y first as it is. In the second part, we are going to apply on u first. When I apply this part on u, what you are going to have? You are going to get dabba u by dabba x plus dabba u by dabba y. Right? So again, as I told you, left to left, we are supposed to go. After this, what you are going to do? We are going to apply this thing on this first. After that, we are going to apply this thing on this thing, and then we are going to add it. Okay, so your next step is dabba by dabba x of dabba u by dabba x. Whatever answer इसका कुछ तो answer मिलेगा ना हमें. Plus dabba u by dabba y plus dabba by dabba y of dabba u by dabba x. Are you getting what we are supposed to do? क्या करना है, समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो स्क्वायर मीन्स 2 टाइम्स. उसके बाद हमने क्या किया, जो लास्ट वाली टर्म है वो पहले u पे अप्लाई कर दी. देन द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज व्हाट वी आर अप्लाइंग dabba by dabba x एंड देन dabba by dabba y. ओके, लिसन, दिस इज अबाउट द रिजल्ट दैट वी वांट टू प्रूव. वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू लुक एट दैट u, अगर आप u को देखोगे तो व्हाट इज योर u? u इज log of x cube plus y cube minus x square y minus x y square. Now see, there is some scope to simplify this. आप डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो, बट लॉग के केस में जितना कुछ सिंप्लीफाई करके सॉल्व करोगे ज़्यादा सिंपल हो जाएगा. कैन आई डू दिस लॉग ऑफ, सपोज मैंने ये टर्म और ये टर्म में एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लिया, तो कैन आई राइट इट एज एक्स माइनस वाई हियर. या देखो यहाँ पे x बचेगा, यहाँ पे माइनस y बचेगा. प्लस from the second and the fourth term, if I take y square common, what I'll have? If I take
y
take
minus
it
x.
minus y square, minus y square common ले लो. So if I take minus y square common, what I left? Can I say it is my x minus?
Minus
Can I write it like this? Yes. कळालं का काय केलं मी? फर्स्ट अँड थर्ड टर्म मधून x स्क्वेअर कॉमन काढला, सेकंड अँड फोर्थ टर्म मधून माइनस y स्क्वेअर कॉमन काढला. ओके, yes. So can I write down this as x minus y is common? So I left here with x square minus y. But again, this can be written as log of x minus y. Do you know x square minus y square can be written as x minus
X minus y into x plus y.
तो ये सिंपल हो गया. देखो, एडिशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इट विल टर्म्स इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो कैन आई से इट इज x माइनस y का होल स्क्वायर 2 टाइम्स आया ना ये, इनटू x प्लस y. बट व्हाट इज log of a into b?
Log a plus log b.
Log a plus
So
b.
can I write down this
Log
as
a plus
log
log
of x minus y का whole square plus log of x plus y? Or can I lastly write down this as 2 times log of x minus y plus log of x plus y? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
This is simplified version of u. Okay. अगर आप इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालने जाओगे, इट इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल. इसका डेरिवेटिव बहुत सिंपल होने वाला है. देखो, निकालने के लिए अगर आप डायरेक्टली ऊपर वाले u का डेरिवेटिव निकालते हो इसका, तो इट विल बी बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. आई विल नॉट से इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट, बट इट विल बी बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड देन दिस थिंग. ओके, कैन यू सॉल्व दिस वन ऑल ऑफ यू? आ जाएगा सबको? बहुत सिंपल है इसके आगे वाला पार्ट.
Yes, sir.
चलो, you just try it out, otherwise in the next lecture we'll complete this. बट आई होप यू कैन डू इट, इट वेरी सिंपल आफ्टरवर्ड। तो पहले तो आप u का मैंने सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन आपको दे दिया है, देन क्या करना है वो भी बताया ऊपर। पहले आपको क्या करना है, डा बाई यू बाई डा बाई एक्स प्लस डा बाई यू बाई डा बाई वाई निकालना है। रिमेंबर पहले ये टर्म निकालो, ये वाली टर्म। ये टर्म होने के बाद उसका एक पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स निकालो, फिर पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई निकालो, ऐड कर दो, उसका आंसर ये आना चाहिए। ओके फाइन, चलो राइट डाउन द थिंग एंड इफ यू कैन गेट इट आई एम हैप्पी, इफ यू कांट डू इट स्टिल आई विल बी हैप्पी टू डू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। I hope, I believe that you will try and you will get the answer. चलो request to 101 847 and 1157 ना, correct? I'm not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please take the screenshot or please write it down the numbers, all present numbers. The numbers count, I'll just tell you count कितना दिखाई दे रहा है मुझे अभी. Let me check. उतनी आपके पास 150